Well, good afternoon. It's now, well, not quite afternoon yet. It's 11 o'clock on Friday the 14th of March. I made the earlier videos. I was leaving at 2 this morning. So I've been on the go now about 9 hours, and which is about right, doing just over three and a half knots from here and there. So I'm going to be arriving a little later than I thought. It says here 6:54, but it'll probably be a little later than that because I got to slow down a bit and near the end. So it's coming along nicely. The beautiful part is that when the sun peeks through, the charging goes from here, it's just under a kilowatt per side, goes up to 2 kilowatts per side. The clouds just sort of come and go. So that's lots and lots of power, so that's going to help me push through. It says only 5 hours of charge time left, of run time, but once this goes up to 2 kilowatts, then that doubles pretty quickly. So I should have lots of sun until around 5 o'clock, and then as the sun starts to settle down, then I get a little less than that. So yeah, about 31, almost 32 nautical miles across the Gulf Stream here, heading towards Florida. That way, you should be able to see the Miami skyline here pretty soon because it's pretty tall. That'll be over that way somewhere. I could see that when I was leaving when I went to Bimini 6 weeks ago. So yeah, it's going along quite nicely, and we're just going to be a little tight for power by the time I get there, but it'll work out nicely. All I have to do is just get to the edge of Florida, and I could drop the anchor there. It's only 20 feet of water, a little bit less, so that'll be perfect. And then tomorrow I'll move on up the ICW, the Intercoastal Waterway, and I'll be following that pretty well all the way up to New York. There's a couple of places in between where I have to duck out onto the ocean, but for the most part I'll be on the ICW. And then once you get to New York, of course, the Hudson River and the Champlain and so on, and back to Ontario for June. So that'll be good. So yeah, it's going around really well. Like I said, it's getting a little tight on power by the time I get there, but it should be fine. The Gulf Stream, I stopped the boat at one point and just let it sit, and it was pushing me at 1.7, 1.8 knots. So with some losses and stuff mixed into that, so the current with the Gulf Stream is around 2 knots. Some people say it's 3 or 4, maybe it does at time, but it's certainly not today. So that's all there is. So yeah, trucking along here, boating along, I guess I should say. It's I took my Bahamian flag down, which is sad. And so I'll have to do all the custom stuff and all that stuff shortly as well. But just keeping the coffee machine going like crazy here today. And also once I get over to Florida, it's time to stock up on groceries because I'm getting dangerously low on quite a few things. So anyways, take care everybody, and we'll keep in touch.